Hi, I'm Wes Michael, President of Rare Patient Voice, and today I'll be talking about, what about my check? One of the great things about participating in a Rare Patient Voice study is that for U.S. participants, we pay you by check, or at your request, by ACH, electronic transfer, PayPal, or Venmo. So you can use the money for whatever you need. Outside the U.S., since it isn't as easy to send checks, we compensate you by an electronic MasterCard or Amazon gift card, depending on where you live. How does the process work? Once the study is over, we say closed, meaning every patient or caregiver has finished the survey or interview. The study sponsor notifies us. We confirm by ID number everyone who has taken part, and we send the checks in for processing. Note that your check isn't processed as soon as you do the questionnaire. We need to process them all at once, so studies can run a few weeks after you have completed your part. We send the checks into our very reliable check processing company. We send them in every Friday for studies that have closed that week. The following week, the checks are processed and mailed out. Once they are mailed, we'll send you an email letting you know to expect it. Mail service can vary, but you should get them in a week or two after they've been sent out for processing. If you ever have a question about your payment, please ask your project manager. They are the one whose name and address is on the emails that you have received about the study. They can tell you if the study hasn't closed and when they expect it to. If you aren't sure, Kirk Munch is our expert at figuring out these things and making sure you get paid. If you have received the email that your check has been sent and 2 weeks have gone by, then something's gone wrong. It doesn't happen often, but we send out thousands of checks, and like with anything in the mail, they could go astray. Please let us know if it hasn't arrived. We'll double check the address with you and send a new check if necessary. If you find an old uncashed check, or your check is torn or damaged, and you need a replacement, just let us know. We're happy to do that. We ask your address when you qualify for each study. That is the address the check is sent to. We use that rather than the address we have in your profile to make sure we're using your most recent address. We've paid out millions of dollars in checks for patients completing studies. We want you to receive your check. And since we pay the check processing company, we pay for your check whether you get it or not. We don't save anything if you don't get it. So we want to make sure you get it and use it. Please ask us if you have any questions. In addition to your project manager, you can email us at research@rarepatientvoice.com.